Looking for bathroom renovation and remodel services in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to have a bathroom that combines both functionality and style. Our bathroom renovation and remodel services are designed to transform your outdated space into a modern retreat. Whether you're looking to upgrade fixtures, optimize space, or completely redesign your bathroom, our team is here to bring your vision to life. We specialize in creating luxurious, efficient, and personalized bathroom spaces in Sherwood Park. In Sherwood Park, we understand the unique needs of homeowners when it comes to bathroom renovations, which is why we offer custom solutions that suit your budget and style. Why choose Kingstree Plumbing? Our team brings expert craftsmanship, reliable service, and a seamless process to every project. We ensure you get the bathroom of your dreams without the hassle. Want to learn more? Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for bathroom renovation and remodel services in Sherwood Park.
Woo!